If you're not already enrolled in our one-on-one CSR coaching programs, you should, because here's what we do. First of all, we teach your people the pattern for excellence. It is a proven customer engagement framework for the next generation of small businesses. It is principle-based, and it shows your CSRs what to do and how to do it to book your calls and wow your customers without relying on robotic scripting. Number two, we hold them accountable to results with twice a month coaching sessions. Every other week, we get on the phone with them and we hold them accountable. We teach them lessons and we listen to their recorded calls with them to make sure they implement what they're learning in their actual calls. And number three, we train and coach our own trainers and coaches. Nobody is above coaching. Everyone deserves a coach. And we teach them how to inspire your people and motivate them to want to change. If you sign up for CSR coaching through PowerSling Pros, in addition to your initial training with our team, you will also get an additional free training on one of three topics. You choose which: internal communication between CSRs, dispatchers, and technicians, positive mindset training, or how to make revenue-generating happy calls to your customers. Sign up for PowerSling Pro CSR coaching over the month of November, and you get one of these trainings free of charge.